Hey traders, let's have a quick look at New Zealand dollar USD from a weekly perspective. So from a weekly perspective, what did we have? Very easy, very simple price action. What we had on the weekly time frame basically is a nice impulse to the upside, followed by this correctional phase. Now in this area over here, you can see that there was a consolidation area. If you go down on the lower time frames, you'll be able to see that this area was a consolidation area, and normally with a consolidation area is got to do with banks accumulating their buy or sell positions. This is what banks do, and hedge funds and institutions as well. So basically what we had on a weekly perspective is the market had come down to test this area of previous basically previous resistance, now turns support. So basically over here we have nice support area over here, we have a nice support area here, broken to the downside, then became resistance and resistance again, now broken to the upside, and we can expect some sort of support in this area from a weekly perspective. Why? Because it's a very strong area. You can see all the time the market had respected this area very nicely. So let's go down on the daily time frame and let's have a look. Before we go down on the daily, let's have a look at what kind of price action we've got on a daily time frame. Basically, if you take your Fibonacci from this low over here to this high over here, you'll be able to see that the market has not yet retraced or not yet came down to test this 618 of the Fibonacci, which lines up very nicely with previous price action and previous structure in the market. And what we can expect is the market now to start to respect this area. So as you can see, the market had a nice consolidation area around here. Okay, let me get rid of this box for you. What we can find is that the market had a nice consolidation area over here. It consolidated until it broke up to the upside. So this is basically banks and hedge funds accumulating their buy positions for this area over here. Once you get to reach the top area of the resistance, then banks and hedge funds started to take their profit. Now what we're expecting from this area again is we're expecting the market to at least come down and retest this area again before we can get any sort of push to the upside. So what I would like to see this pair do is I would like this pair to come down and at least test this area of previous resistance and now turn support, and we can expect the market then to make a push to the upside to create a higher high on a weekly time frame. So it's very important that you guys watch this area and keep this on your watch list. So once the market will reach to this area, if the market does reach this area, then we'll be looking around this area with the students and members to get a good possibility trade to the upside. Now if the market will come down and break this area and start creating lower lows and lower highs, then of course we will not take this trade. But on the other hand, if the market will reach this area and the market environment will start to change from bearish to bullish, then we will definitely take this trade to the upside with a good risk to reward trade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Make sure that you leave me a like and a comment below. Let me know what you guys think, and hope you guys have a good day. See you guys in the next analysis.